Hi, my name is Atticus Everett, and this is a progress evaluation for the end of Module 3 of Architecture 501 with Professor Elena Canovas at Arizona State University in the fall of 2024. In this module, it became clear that the building mass could generate opportunities for passive lighting and ventilation, as well as mediate pedestrian traffic. The building height steps up and away from the residential area to the east of the housing complex to visually link the structure to both the multifamily homes and to the mixed-use light industrial corridor to the west. Along the east side, a shared pedestrian road acts as a pedestrian thoroughfare. The buildings funnel this traffic across the public program elements on the ground floor, especially the retail bays along the walkway south of the southernmost building. A daycare, a bakery, and a laundromat/library provide both facilities for shared domestic labor and opportunities for residents to find work close to home. The retail bays serve to generate income for building maintenance. Residential cores of stacked row houses accommodate 36 units on an area of just under 1 acre. I'm going to flip through the floor plans for each level. The ground floor accommodates most of the public program. Each residential level accommodates 4 units. 2 floor types alternate so that there are equal numbers of the 3 24-foot wide unit types, 9 of each, and an almost equal number of the 2 36-foot wide unit types, 4 of one and 5 of the other. This is the second floor typology, and the wet cores and shear walls of each floor type are stacked. On the 4th floor, there is direct access to a roof garden via the circulation deck. And the same is true for the 5th floor. The roof of the northernmost building will house an array of solar panels for energy capture. The angle and orientation of the buildings, along with the porous arrangement of balconies and windows, captures passive lighting and ventilation using breezes and cross drafts. The light rainfall is slowed in its course by ample landscaping and by the rooftop gardens. The gardens and landscaping are planted to generate a patch of the coastal sage scrub pollinator habitat and provide a protected and accessible green space to the community. Pedestrian traffic is buffered from the shared road to the east by the landscaping and the angled orientation of the building masses. Circulation is positioned along that course, with the primary vertical circulation along the western side, away from car sound and traffic. Mechanical access is located along the western side of the building, next to the elevator shaft and the primary stairways. Each unit has opportunities for cross ventilation, with drafts often passing through only one space, but sometimes through 2. Southern patios are shaded from hot summer sun by being set back into the mass of the building. All of the unit types can support ADA compliance. This 1-bedroom layout includes a pass-through patio for added ease of navigation. This unit flows similarly but incorporates 3 bedrooms. This 2-bedroom apartment has a shared back patio for the bedrooms. The 2-family house design needs to be reworked slightly to align the mechanical and plumbing with the overall organization. This house of 4 private rooms offers ample privacy but slightly uneven ventilation opportunities among the different rooms. The structural system consists of heavy timber posts and beams which support CLT slabs. The components generate 24-foot structural bays on each level with one row of posts out of the pattern where the 36-foot floor units change the span requirements. The mechanical shafts are associated with north-south shear walls. An east-west shear system will be integrated with a shade slat system along the north side of the buildings. The wall assembly uses thickened insulation, especially in the roof, to improve energy performance. The facade is a concrete board rain screen system. The roof supports 5 inches of soil for the plantings, which also acts as a water retention system, supplemented by the spillways, which lead to irrigation lines feeding the ground floor landscaping. The structural system of posts and beams supports window openings and overhangs over the unit patios, and the overhang of the unit floors out over the ground floors along the southeast and the south sides. The structural system is supported by a thickened wall footing foundation. The spaces between the buildings I am designing and the other masses being designed for the site will serve as pedestrian walkways and protected areas for recreation and socialization, especially for students of the daycare located on the west side of the bottom floor of the central building. I simulated some light conditions from the south on my building masses using paper models. Thank you very much for your time, and goodbye.